Morning Year 8. In this video I'm going to look at how to download and install a version of GameMaker allowing you to complete your game during lockdown. So to begin, you'll find a copy of the GameMaker in the Files tab in your team. So when you're in your computing team, you click on Files, you'll see GameMaker 8.0. It's an executable file. We're clicking on the options and choosing Download. This will by default will save it into your Downloads folder, and I have already downloaded mine to here. Now for the tricky bit, because of the security procedures in Windows 10, we're going to have to install this using something called the command prompt. In order to do that, I've got to find its location. So I'm right clicking on the file and choosing properties, and I can see in my computer it's saved here. This will be different for everyone, but I'm going to highlight this location and hit Control and C for copy, or you can right click and choose copy. Now I want to save that somewhere. I'm going to open up my notepad just to keep a wee note of where that is. So I clicked on start and typed in notepad, and I'm just going to paste it. Now the name of the file, as you can see, is called GameMaker. I'm copying that, or you could paste it out, and I'm putting in a /GameMaker 80, and it's an executable, so I'm typing in .exe. And it's this location that we're going to run. Now just to review over that, I used right click, I went to properties, I got the location, and I copied and pasted that into this notepad file. And I've added in a / and then the name of the file and the file extension. And again, this first part will be different to all of us depending where you saved it. So I'm going to copy that to the clipboard, again highlight it, right click, copy, and I'm now going to click on the Windows tab, the Windows icon, and I'm going to search for something called the command prompt. So if I type in COMM, you can see the command prompt, and we're going to run this as administrators because as default this will be blocked by the Windows admin. So I'm clicking run as admin. It's going to, would like to run it, yes. And in the command prompt, I'm going to use Control and V on my keyboard to paste it. And I'm going to hit enter. And this will bypass the security in your system and will ask, do you want to install GameMaker? And I'm just going to follow the wizard. Next, next, I agree with that, next. I'll just take the defaults where it's been saved, hit next, yes, and start. And it will go through a wizard where it's installing the GameMaker. No, I'm not going to read the README. I'm going to hit launch and hit exit, and this will open up GameMaker, and we're using the light version. And it's asked me, do I want to run it in simple or advanced mode? I would generally, for most of this, we will be running in advanced mode, so I've clicked yes. I'm going to close that. I'm just going to show that will be stored. If I now search on my computer, type in GameMaker, I can see that it's installed on my computer, and I can open it, use the light version, and I'm able to start my work. So folks, watch the video, pause it. If you have any questions about getting the file location, post it to the team. Good luck, and I'll post lessons next week.